in Canada and missing your favorite Jamaican products? No need to worry. Mama's Pantry CA is here with everything Jamaican. We stock snacks, beverages, seasonings, and much, much more. Follow us on Instagram at Mama's Pantry CA. Canada-wide shipping available. Mama's Pantry CA. Come relive Jamaica with us. Website coming soon. Mama's Pantry CA. Relive Jamaica.
So we want to thank Mama's Pantry for being courageous and actually bringing all these cultural foods to Nova Scotia, Canada. So we don't have to go to Toronto anymore or to go to Jamaica to get this stuff.
There's a plug right here.
And also they have a wide variety of alcoholic beverages. Look in the description below for all their details. Hi guys, welcome to Chairs
and Benches.
I'm Nayoka.
And I'm Brittany. Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Today is Christmas Day. Yes. So you know we're here celebrating and we wish we were back home, obviously. But you know we have to keep our traditions strong here. So we're doing what we would back home here. Yes. All right, and I wish you and your family a Merry Christmas, and I hope all is well and that you guys are celebrating together.
Yes, if it's your first time here on Chairs and Benches, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So today we're gonna be talking about Christmas in Jamaica. We're in Canada, but we're still reminiscing and we're still trying to incorporate some of the Jamaican traditions here while we're in Canada. I know it's Christmas Day, so I want you guys to be very interactive under this video. I want to know exactly what you guys are doing. Anything I forgot, I want you guys to talk to me, okay? So I'm expecting to see all of you guys comment in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so the first thing about Jamaica during Christmas time that really bring in the whole vibe is the decorating and the cleaning. So once the Christmas season starts, so December 1st or somewhere around that time, you would expect that we would be painting, we're gonna be decorating the place with the pepper light or the Christmas light, whatever you guys call it. So yeah, that's the first thing that will bring the right energy for the season.
And you know your family is gonna join you for Christmas, so whether they're abroad or they are in a different parish, they're gonna come and everybody's gonna get together, or you gonna go to them, whichever it is. But you're gonna
that's
spend
the reason
time
for the season, right? To spend time with your family. So.
Exactly.
Yeah, so this is the time when we're gonna bring out all the best Chinaware.
Right.
Yeah, everything have to get clean up, shine up, because you know your family members
right.
Plus,
so
it's a special day.
Look. Yeah,
we're fancy. So, yeah, and if your family members did not get to make it to Jamaica, we usually have the tradition where we have the Christmas greetings, and they're usually quite hilarious. So we'll insert one right now.
Yes.
Christmas Day, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, my father wishes well, and I want and go and stay, and I want and go and stay.
And of course, you know, this year is different because, you know, it's COVID. So, you know, maybe not everyone is flying in, but if you are at home, you know, you probably be driving to your family members. But traditionally, you know, we're reminiscing here. Everybody gonna fly in, and you know how that goes. All right, so you know, we are now talking about the food, right guys? And you know, food is a big part of Christmas back home in Jamaica, all the niceness. So you know, Christmas morning is a very special morning, right? You're gonna start off with your hot chocolate. And when I say hot, it's hot. You have to go blow up on that, you know? And then you're gonna have your Jamaican breakfast, your ackee and your saltfish and fried dumpling and you know, all those little niceties.
I mean, if you guys eat something else this morning, please comment down below. Let us know what you guys are having, just in case you don't have anything special, different, you know. But that's what we had. So while your mommy is still making, while your mommy or your grandmommy, whoever is preparing the Christmas dinner, you will be probably enjoying Christmas cake. That is known as a black cake. It's a very popular cake in Jamaica. Sometimes use it for different events as well.
Right.
But this is a huge part of our Christmas time. Okay.
Yeah.
So
and everybody is sharing the Christmas cake with their friends and their family. And so, you know, it's a little competition.
Who have the best?
Right.
Who have the best cake?
You cannot have Christmas in Jamaica without a Christmas cake.
Yeah. Also, you would probably enjoy the cake with some sorrel. Sorrel is a drink that we drink during Christmas time in Jamaica. It's seasonal and we enjoy sorrel. We're having sorrel here in Canada as well. So sorrel is actually a plant that we use to make this drink, and honestly it's a very refreshing drink. Like, and it just sums up Christmas, the whole red and the whole vibe.
You know?
So yes,
and
so
it's some people boil it, and you know, you boil it for a couple days before you have it, you know, sitting and fermenting, and so it's rich, and you add your different little spices to it.
like really
Yeah, you know, some people add a little rum or tomato.
Alright, so for the big people segment, we'll have alcoholic beverages. So we usually have a rum punch, and we also have a white rum. So you know, so you're gonna enjoy that kind of drink on Christmas Day, and then you just, you know, Christmas dinner. This is the highlight of the day, because you know this is a massive meal.
Right, the food on a huge table, enough dishes.
Presentation on point,
Have to be.
taste on point. My grandma, big up Miss Jennifer, she had one of the best Christmas dinners. The whole community knew her for that. Big up Miss Jennifer in Passage Fort. But yes, and in Jamaica we have ham. But yeah, the Christmas dinner is you usually have multiple different meat.
Yeah.
Chicken, your goat, your oxtail, your pot roast.
Yeah, you're fried. Yeah, you said chicken.
Yeah. The whole works, and then the ham
Is the main.
Yeah.
Have to have your ham at Christmas time.
Yeah, so that's Jamaica for the food. If we're forgetting any food that you guys typically eat, please comment down below, because honestly in this video, how Jamaica nice, we can't go cover.
Yeah.
We can't go cover everything in the video, so we're not gonna comment down below since it's Christmas Day, and let us know what you guys eating, what you guys preparing, how you guys feeling, even though this year is kind of different. Comment down below and let us know, because we're vibing together.
Right. So moving on to entertainment now, guys. You know, this is a huge part of Christmas back home.
Yeah.
Right?
Jamaica does always have vibes. When it comes to entertainment, that's something where we specialize in.
Yes.
Yeah.
So on Christmas Eve, you have grand market, right? Christmas Eve night, going into Christmas Day, you have grand market, and each parish has their own grand market. I've only experienced Kingston.
Yeah.
Right, and this is where all the shops are open in the town, all the vendors are out, and everybody buying stuff
Literally all night long. So
all night long, and everything is half off. Like, you have a crazy sale, right, for you in the Christmas Day, right? So tell us, comment below and tell us what your parish grand market is like. This is something I'm really interested in.
And who have the best grand market? Comment
Yeah,
down
what you
below.
would
We
think.
want to know. So yes. Also, barbecues. Schools usually have barbecues to close off the semester when school did a keep, if school did keep. So most schools would have a hot barbecue.
Yes. And this is
know,
like competition. So everybody want to be known to have the best
barbecue each school. We went to an all-girls school, so you know, we're strictly but other schools have it. So comment down below and pick up your school. And also people in Jamaica, during this time of the year, everybody wants to be best dressed, you know, like everybody have a nice outfit. You have to come right out. Like, you can't, this is the best, like,
even
this is the
grand
best you
market
should
night,
look.
so
Yeah.
Everybody,
Try put on them best, because everybody can see everybody interact, the vibes. In most communities, we also have cultural events. So you'll have the Jankuno, and we'll insert a clip right here. So in Jamaica, we have the Jankuno, which is a culture. So this is dating back from the African culture. So we do highlight the reason for the season, which is the birth of Jesus Christ, but we also incorporate some of our
history.
Historical culture as well. So a fair bit of both in our culture. Even if you're not from Jamaica, no other Caribbean islands do have Jankuno.
Right, they do.
So comment down below and let me know about your Jankuno and what it represents to you.
For those people that are more religious, you know, you go to your church. You go to church on Christmas Eve to ring in Christmas Day, right? And this is the time that you reflect on the story of the birth of Jesus, right?
And they usually have a very elaborate demonstration to kind of like teach the kids like really what the reason for the season is in Jamaica, which is great, because certain parts of the world, like here, you know, it's all about Santa, but in Jamaica, church or in schools, we normally
more spiritual, right? It's much deeper, and you know, you have Christ Christmas.
And
Right?
this is when you normally get, as a child, starting to understand what Christmas is really about. So yeah, if you're religious or even if you're not really religious, you know, we still have to remember what it really is about. So and also during this time of the year, vibes always up. So we'll have stage show as well. So during this time of the year, December, is when you have Sting, and you know that's when all the artists them come out. And you know, for close off the year, and then for figure out who is the best artist and really make a statement. And usually with them outfits and them performance, you know, them really make a statement to close off the year first thing. Unfortunately, but COVID, but yeah, that's something else that we do during this time of the year, and everybody come out and have fun. And they have extravagance, and you have multiple different entertainment shows that happen at this time of the year. Everybody's under good vibes.
Definitely. All right, guys. So we've come to the end of our video. And we thank you for tuning in to Chairs and Benches on Christmas Day. Remember to comment below and tell us what you guys are up to today. We are looking forward to this because we wish we were back home, right?
Thank you for inviting us into your home on Christmas Day. And yeah, anything that we miss, please let us know, because Jamaica is such a small island, but it's super diverse. Like, it would almost be impossible to include every single tradition that every single parish or person does. So there, go ahead and comment down below so we can talk and inform each other and, you know, engage. Talk to me in this video. I want you guys to talk to us. So have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yeah.
A Happy New Year. We're being positive. Happy 2021. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
In Canada and missing your favorite Jamaican products? No need to worry. Mama's Pantry CA is here with everything Jamaican. We stock snacks, beverages, seasonings, and much more. Follow us on Instagram at Mama's Pantry CA. Canada-wide shipping available. Mama's Pantry CA. Come relive Jamaica with us. Website coming soon. Mama's Pantry CA. Relive Jamaica.